How to make money selling AI art in 2023, no investments, earn up to $2,500 per month. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another great money making and AI related tutorial. And in this tutorial, we're going to be discussing how you can make money in the easiest and greatest way that there is nowadays. And that is through AI. Now, obviously, you know, AI is on the rise. Like the next generation that's coming is all around technology and AI, and nowadays we can see that there are great AIs that create amazing arts for you. Now obviously, first of all, we're going to discuss what software you're going to use to make this art. Then we're going to discuss where you're going to sell this art, where people are actually going to buy it. And it's going to be a great tutorial. By the end of this, you're going to properly know how you can make a lot of money in a month by just selling AI. So all you need to do is just watch this video till the end and listen to all the instructions I have to provide to you. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first of all, let's discuss a software called Midjourney. So this is Midjourney. Midjourney is a great software like Dolly or let's say Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney was created as a free AI software. Now obviously, to use Midjourney, you're gonna need Discord. Without Discord, you can't use Midjourney, so that is one thing that you're gonna for sure need to have. Now if you have Discord, all you need to do, you're gonna go to the Midjourney website. Here we are. You come to Midjourney. You're gonna click on join the beta. Now once you click on join the beta, over here what they're gonna do is they're gonna bring you to your Discord app. Now this is the Midjourney server in the Discord app, and this is what it basically looks like. So now that you're here, you're obviously gonna see a lot going on. So all you need to do is you're gonna come to the channels part right here, and you're gonna go into one of these newbie channels. So let's say I'm gonna go into this newbie channel, and once you're here, you're gonna write /imagine. So there we are, /imagine. Now that creates a prompt, and in this prompt you can start writing anything and it will create anything for you. Now let's say you want to make a digital art for a dog dressed as an 18th century composer. Just random. That's the most random thing you can write. So let's say I write that. Now once I write that, we can see that it says waiting to start. So all you need to do is you're gonna wait for it to start, and there we go. It has started making it. Now obviously it takes, you could say, a few seconds to start creating our art, because obviously their servers are fully crowded. As you can see over here, these are all different moderators, and the members of this server are a lot. Like there are tons and tons of people. Now we wrote dog dressed as an 18th century composer, and as you can see, it has almost created our AI art. And look at that, like even through blurriness we can make it out well. And look at that, look at how accurate that is. That's a dog as an 18th century composer. Now obviously all these options you see down here, all these mean a specific thing. Now this over here means that you want it to redo whatever you wrote. So it's going to redo and give you different designs. U1, U2, U3, and U4 mean this is U1, this is U2, this is U3, and this is U4. Now let's say I want to download this, so I'm just going to click on U3, and what that's going to do is it's going to print U3 for me right here. So we're just going to wait for it to do U3, and once it's U3 for me again, all you're going to need to do is you're gonna go and you're gonna right click on it, and you're gonna click on save image, and what that will do is it will automatically save U3 on your system or your laptop. So that is what U does. Now if you want a variation for a certain photo, like let's say this fourth one, I want variations for this, so we're gonna click on V4. Now what V4 does is it creates different variations of the photo you just chose. So we're just gonna wait for it to create a variation, and there we go. So obviously it may take a few seconds loading, so we're just gonna wait for it to do that. But yeah, basically that's the overview of how you can make different arts. Now this is how you make arts. If we come on how to sell it, you're gonna sell it on a great website called Etsy. Now Etsy is basically a great global online marketplace where people come together to make, sell, buy, and collect unique items. So if you go on Etsy, you can see all these different things that people are selling selling online. Now, to go to your category, you're gonna write digital art. Now, once you write digital art, you're gonna click on search, and we're gonna search this up. So we're just gonna wait for it to load up really quick. Now, look at that. Look at all these different digital arts, and we can see that people actually buy these things. Now, you can either make digital art like this, or I'm gonna give you a reference of a great creator called Van Woof. Now look at this. Van Woof is basically a person that asks you for photos of your pets, and once he takes those photos of your pets, he basically creates AI art using Midjourney or some other AI processor, and he makes arts like these. Now you obviously saw that we did dogs as composers, and the output was pretty much similar like this. And then what he does is he prints them on canvases and he sells them online like this, and people actually buy it. Look at that. He's a star seller who makes over $25 per art. So imagine you were to make things like these. Look, just imagine the amount of money that you would make just by selling a few art pieces. So as I just said, I'm gonna go back to Midjourney to give you example. Now you're probably wondering that I just told you how to, download these things and much more. Like, all you need to do is you're gonna go on save image, etc. Now let's say someone sends you a photo of their pet. So I'm just gonna go to Pexels and take an example. I'm gonna go to pexels.com, just gonna write dog over here for it to load. So once you find a good dog photo, there we go, dog. And once you find a good dog photo, all you need to do is you're gonna download that photo, and say I'm gonna use this dog right here. So there we go, download it now. And once it's downloaded, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna post it on your Discord Midjourney server. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go to Discord. I'm gonna paste it here on the forum, or you can just click on plus, click on upload a file. There we go, and we're gonna upload it like that. Now once you upload it, what you're gonna need to do is you're obviously gonna find your message. Now don't worry if you can't see your message, just go on the yellow lines or the yellow bars, and you're gonna properly find your message like this over here. So once your picture is uploaded like that, you're gonna go here, you're gonna click on copy link, you're gonna go on imagine again, as I told you, go on prompt, you're gonna paste the link, and then you can start adding things like, let's say I were to add F1 racer. Let's do that. And what this does is it basically takes the link of the photo that I just gave it, and we're just gonna wait for it to quickly make modifications to that specific prompt that we gave it. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load up. I'm gonna show you the output. Now generally, if the servers are crowded, as I said, it's gonna take a lot of time for you. So once the output is done, as I said, there you go. Now look at that, the dog photo I posted, you can see that they have made the dog into an F1 racer. How cool is that? So yeah, that's basically it. You can add variations or much more. And yeah, that is basically it. Then all you need to do is you're gonna go on Etsy right here, you're gonna upload it, set a certain price, and then you're gonna make great sales. Then from there on out, it just depends on your marketing skills and much more. So yeah, that is basically how easy it is to create AI art and make money off of it. So if you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and drop down a nice comment if you supported the channel. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.